tell you.
Your wife is so beautiful.
This way, Jamila. Thank you very much.
Hello, from which country do you come from?
We from Iraq, Kurdistan, Iraq.
Why you lived your country? You have some problem in your country?
Because my country, سياسيين ما نبي وشنا.
Problems?
Their problem. Anything problem in economy, in war, in سياسة children. Something I speak English. I don't know what I said for you.
You want to Europe, yes?
Okay. For our children, because Iraq.
For a better future.
18 years after Saddam Hussein destroyed Iraq, destroyed.
American democracy destroyed your country.
America no good. America destroyed Iraq and Syria. We need help the European people because you see what we wear.
To which country do you want to pass? In Europe, in Germany or United Kingdom? Which one?
United Kingdom, very good, but very difficult for us.
What kind of profession do you have if you want to have a job in Europe? What is your specialist? Who are you? What is your profession?
My work?
Yes.
I am businessman.
Businessman.
Okay. In gold.
In gold. Jewelry.
Jewelry. Okay.
Oh yes.
From Turkey and Dubai we come gold. In Iraq we sell.
Yes, understand. Okay, I wish you good luck and hope you will pass to Europe as soon as possible, because I see a lot of children here, a lot of women, and very sorry about this situation. Belarus people help you as they can.
Today Belarus